Hey there and welcome back to the BAQE channel. My name is Quinton Croft, owner and founder of BAQE Cosmetics, and today we're going to talk about the limited edition BAQE Bouquet palette. I am so excited to show you the contents of this gorgeous, gorgeous box. Oh, I can't. Can you even with how beautiful this is? Inside this palette, you are going to find 8 hand-picked plums, purples, pinks, just a beautiful bouquet of flowers waiting for you. 2 different blusher highlighters. They are also both marbled colors. You'll notice that you have this warm peachy color and this nice pinky red. So gorgeous. In the middle, you'll notice that there is a lip crayon and it is removable. And these lip crayons roll up on their own. You do not have to sharpen them. They're like a giant creamy lip liner, like a little lip chubby. They're so cute. I'm so excited, and it's this gorgeous nude color. We're gonna finish off with that. All right, once you open your palette and you're ready to go, you are going to want to prime your eye. I used my BAQE Hyaluronic Eye Primer and allowed that to set, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna show you how to get this exact look over here. And even the eyeliner is one of the shadows. After you have primed your eye and allowed it to set, you're going to go ahead and grab this gorgeous pale ballet pink color. Using a ponytail brush, just kind of go back and forth right up there. Using your windshield wiper motions that if you've been here for a while, you probably are down with that. If you haven't and this is your first time doing the windshield wiper motion, make sure that you put your fingers back towards the end of your brush. This is actually going to give you more control with your product. All right, next, on a more concentrated brush, we're going to take this kind of intermediate mauve color. I really love that this can be super subtle, or you can really build it up. And we're just going to work this right in the crease. If you keep your eye open, this allows you to really get in that crease really easily. And now you'll see that we've deepened up that color. Just gonna grab a little bit more, and you'll notice that I'm shaking or tapping off any extra because I already have my face on and I do not want any fallout. I typically like to do my eyes first though, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to have my face done first so we could finish with our cheeks and lips. We are going to take this perfect, like grape, really vibrant color right here, this really gorgeous purple. We're going to take this, make sure that there's no extra. We're going to stipple it on the outer corner and then kind of work it up on the outer V, all right? And just stippling it on and blending it out in that nice little, think like a less than, greater than sign, boomerang, 7, a C. How sharp you want it is kind of just determined on the shape of your eye and how high you want to lift your eye. The sharper you make that, the higher up and sharper it's going to make your eye look. The more round you make that, sometimes it can tend to downturn your eyes. So if you already have downturned eyes, I really especially would recommend trying to keep that as sharp as possible. We're gonna grab a flat, heavily packed brush, like a cream shadow or concealer style brush, and we are going to pack on the lid color. We're gonna use this gorgeous metallic lilac all over the lid. It is such a beautiful shade. Okay, we are going to take this across our lid, almost in a cut crease shape, but we want it to still be blended. So I'm going to use small pressing motions all the way across. If I need to get it down into my lash line a little bit more, I like to turn my brush upside down. That's going to move the product in that direction. Once I have that on, let's start blending over the top of it again. All right, so just once more on this area. You'll notice I didn't add any more product to this brush. I'm just kind of blending back over. Now on the outer edge, to really deepen it up, I'm gonna take a bit of this really dark kind of browny purple. I really like this shade because you can really add just a lot of depth without being totally black. We're gonna take this to that outer 7 shape again, just to really deepen this area up. And then kind of blending in that same spot, we're gonna take a little bit of this metallic midnight purple right here. We're gonna be using almost all of these eyeshadows today. We're gonna tap this kind of right next to where we just applied that really dark color, just to add a little bit more depth in there. We're gonna take that first pink color one more time on that same ponytail brush to blend this edge and give it a nice soft blend. Make sure there are no harsh lines. The next step, we're gonna take this metallic white. Oh my gosh, it is so stunning. And we're going to take this on a crease style brush and blend it over the inner corner. So we're gonna take this over our inner corner and whatever's left over just under the arch of our brow. Next, we're gonna take this really teeny brush and grab that same metallic white. Apply it just to the very, very center here of that inner corner, just to really make it pop. Underneath, we're gonna take that gorgeous mauve color, tap off any extra, and throw this in our lash line. Then we'll take whatever is left over from the very, very dark color on this teeny little brush and put that even closer. And then I will grab that vibrant grapey purple color and just kind of blend those two together a bit. All right, now we're ready for the eyeliner, and we are actually going to be using this very, very dark color. I talked about this in the Essential Eye Palette video, but I wanna make sure that you know that you can always turn any product into an eyeliner by using some kind of mixing medium. You can use your favorite setting spray, your favorite rose water spray, anything like that, or even just regular water. I prefer to use a setting spray just because, or even a priming spray, because I feel like it gives the product a little bit more kind of glue to adhere to the eye, so to speak. I'm just going to spray my brush with a little bit of my favorite setting spray. I'm just going to get some of that gorgeous, dark kind of plummy brown purple here. And you'll notice immediately that it turns into kind of like a really cream right there on the brush. Very creamy. And it's gonna be like a liquid eyeliner. I love using an angled brush to do eyeliner because it's already straight. You don't have to have quite as straight a hand as you do with a more detailed liner brush. It's easy to remember which way to use. You wanna work towards the short side of the angle brush. Short side, okay? Don't wanna go towards the long bristles. That'll trip you up and give you an uneven line. To get a nice straight line, work towards the short bristles. Keeping my eye semi-open here, just so I can see that it's all the way in my lash line. I like to start on the inner edge so I can ensure that it's really, really thin. Work my way to the outer edge here. And then bring my wing out. The easiest way, if you haven't watched my liner video, to do a wing is to extend out your bottom eye line. It's like where your bottom eyelid meets the corner of your eye, and draw that line out. And draw the top of the triangle back in, then you'll notice you have a triangle to color in. Go ahead and use short little stippling motions to color that in, and then just make sure that it matches your eyeliner on the other side. What I love to do is then take whatever's left over on my brush and go up underneath my lashes in that waterline to finish off my eyeliner. Gives a really nice finished look to those lashes. It gives a really thick base. One last thing to do before adding your favorite mascara is to take a little bit of that white metallic on your little teeny tiny brush and brush some right into that waterline to keep that eye nice and open, or use a white eyeliner, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna throw on my favorite mascara primer and mascara to match this side, and we'll come back and do our cheeks and our lips. And there's our gorgeous eye look, and now you're a pro at eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be complicated, and I've already picked some of the most perfect colors for you to make any eye color glow. Getting back into this bouquet, let's check out these blushes. Today I use this warmer tone to really play with that purple. Let's grab a blush brush and let me show you how I like to do this. What I love about marbled blushers is that you can actually use the whole thing by swirling your brush in it, or just pick certain sections. So let's just do the pink and orange together, and right there on your cheek. I love that it already has a highlighter built in, but you know me, I like to be super extra. So what I love about this marble is that you can actually go right in and grab just that highlight, and then I've already highlighted the center of my face. Let's just add a little bit more. You know me, I'm like guacamole. Look like an expensive wife. All right, we're gonna throw on the lip now. What I love about this is you can take it right out of your palette and throw it in your purse for touch-ups later. This is not like a liquid lipstick. You're going to want to reapply it at some point, but it does wear for quite a long time. Super creamy and hydrating, and it's vegan. What I love about this is the color is perfect, and if you need to sharpen it, all you have to do is roll up the bottom. So I like to wear this with a little bit of liner. I'm just gonna line my lips really quick with my favorite BAQE lip liner in Warm Mocha. I highly suggest this. It looks absolutely stunning. Once you have your favorite liner on, go ahead and take your lip crayon and just color them right in. And then color in any areas that need a little color. How gorgeous did we get our whole face in this one palette? I'm just in love. It feels like somebody has given me a dozen roses. Oh wait, I did. So enjoy your bouquet, feel special and spoiled, and I can't wait to see what you bake up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Just look for BAQE, B-A-Q-E Cosmetics.